People, PLI them a tell. PLI them a tell Pon Planka boss. Erica the landlord drop the bomb on them. Welcome back to the channel. Like and share. Let me know what you guys think about this. What I'm gonna say to you right about now. You see my people? Remember, as I start watch, like up the video. Best upon yourself as usual. People, me is a mix up others and now going so good enough people. So we share all the best and everybody put in a prayer for mix up others. You get the message? Big up yourself, mix up others. Now guys, yesterday, the one, Laura, claimed to say Dana take away her page. And, Erica the landlord come out, and I make a know say, it seems as if, Lorraine hide the page and I try to fool people. Now guys, we all know the hide page thing going on. You see me? There's something about that when just sound too right. So I mean, I understand where Lorraine I try to do. But look at this now. Remember last night, Dana have a lucky money thing over Florida, and it was a jam-packed event. I may say to myself, so look at this. You see all them people love cars, travel on social media. You see all them go around and do all these things. Now, Erica the landlord make a know say, yo, it seems as if Laura I look attention from the event. So that's how she hide the page. And guys, we so go on. You see me? Don't be curious, but be prepared. You see me? Sitting gonna come out. Sitting gonna come out from the Lorraine camp people. But you see them people they over there so very, very dangerous. They will do any little thing at all to get attention. They will do any little thing at all to get to 99, and which we know them can't get to 99 because 99 covered by the blood of Jesus, while them covered by the demons them. Over so. Why would you need to hide your page? And guess what, man? If your page get taken away, as I said in my previous video, it would have show who did it. So that the facts you can't provide that evidence shows that you were just a dunce and you're just trying to cause some problem on social media. And I love how Erica the landlord come out and put in your place and make you know say, yo, seem as if you are trying to make money off of social media, or you are trying sitting where you never done before. See me? So guys, people like Laura, you have to be very, very cautious of, because it seems as if she up to sitting when not gonna work. And this blame game to 99 happen years upon years. There's nothing at all new about it. So when you say Laura come out and I say a page get taken away, is a means of telling lie on Dana again and make some little idiot people on our platform them believe what she's saying. Remember, when somebody page taken away, they wouldn't come out and sound so simple, because trust me, Laura make it seem as if it was so simple. And remember, if your page gone, you take it more serious. Now this lady is so obsessed with Dana. She's so obsessed with Planka Boss that she will do any little thing at all to make Planka Boss talk about her. She will do any little thing at all to get little highlights. That's how desperate Laura is. You see me? And all the better, if your page get taken away, all the better. Less dirty talking, less evil talking over this song. You see me? Yeah, man, and then the social media platform can be a bit peaceful without you talking all kind of things about Dana, where you no one make up all kind of fabricated things. You and the mad one over there, so what you call speaker. The two one mad like when pigeon, like when he has a take up pigeon. You see me, and the pigeon them can't open them eye. When just a bunch of crab in a barrel. How can you say the things about Dana and we don't have evidence? How can you say Dana a scammer? Where you guys evidence? That's why you see it. You see when the camp broke up now, and you see there, Laura say her page gone. Me I tell you guys, me I tell you, bad mind must go down, wickedness must go down. And Erica, big up yourself. I love how you drop the exclusive bomb on there, because we all know say lie them tell now. We know say lie them tell, and we know say the page so publish, or maybe she analyst it, plan for change the name. You see me? So guys, we have to just be very, very cautious. Other woman over there, so them you see them a plan sitting but it not gonna work. Why them a plan? God a gonna deal for them plan and where them a plan for do one thing, you see me? But when I say about this again to people, this is for showing so yo, them people are 8.99 with a passion. Them 8.99 so bad for no reason at all. The woman that do them nothing at all. And this is how them choose for do for them thing, you see me? But as I always say to people, and every day at Christmas, today for me, tomorrow for you. And it's not every day you get the same result. Today you get 50, today you get 70, today you get 100. So if them keep on a try this and thing and a try that, one of these days them will get themselves in a big problem. Because guess what now, when you travel the bees, and face the bees now sting you, one of them day you get sting and you can't believe it. Because it's a true you travel Dana now respond back to you, so you keep on do it over. Because guess what? Them need Dana for give them the highlight. And then them feel happy in themselves. They need it. They are craving for attention, but they are not getting the attention. So they might continue over. But for how long? You see me? For how long can this continue? For how long them keep on a tell life on the lady? How long? People like them need to leave off of social media. Them big crusty back woman. Them woman will not have no life. Them not have no future. Them just in America waste them time. So them live with man and them just out of shape, out of look. You see me? Cracked teeth one brush, head big, and all kind of different activity regarding pan them body and things. So I understand how them want come fool people, but them page get taken away. All the better. And if I get accounting, yeah, all the better. Because guess what, the page is very corrupt. That page build all kind of negative things about Dana. You see me? And so the page get taken away, we're not going to see Dana because guess what? We're not pay Dana content over there. But one thing with Dana, if she do a thing, she'll come live and talk about it. She'll come live and talk about it. She not just do things so. You see me? Remember, I'm going to say again, she not do things so. She'll come and talk about it. So, I know say, I lie not tell. I know say, only know now do. Because Dana a fair thing last night with the show that she hosts in South Florida. And on face, I don't have time for tell people, for strike, for take on a page. Don't have time for that. Attention, seeking a crew. That's all them do. Seeking attention. And when they see something like, when their followers them see something like this, what they going to do? They going to run with it. They must say, yeah man, true. A long time Planka boss I try to take your page from Jamaica. You see me? But guys, I don't know. I know so that the time I come when them can't use that content no more at all. You see me? It will come to that time. It will come to a time when them cannot do nothing at all to Dana regarding on them page. Them all can open them mouth alone, that's all. You see me? But just watch and see what will be the outcome. You see me, I say people, so like and share. Let me know what you think about the whole situation regarding the landlord. You see me, where claim say Dana take away a page. Them people lie with a purpose. And this is what them do. Spread the lie. Yeah man, reality. Yeah man guys, let's see a word man. Make them go and rejoice for now. And hide them page and try to trick people. I love how Erica the landlord drop something on them and make them know so they stop the lie. So you can see where them are come with that now. Let's watch and see guys. So bless upon yourself, bless upon yourself and respect for everyone who tune in, who like and share, and those who comment down below people. Lord and our mad crew them. Love what Erica style them up. I make them know so them stop tell lie. You see me? Ain't going nowhere. This one not going nowhere at all, people. Look one there. You see me? So guys, stay tuned here. Stay tuned. I'm gonna drop more content shortly. Look out for that, people. Look out for that like and share. Best upon yourself as usual, guys. I'm out of time, before them dirty people go down. Them too dirty. Then we stop it. People, we talk to you soon. Take care. I'm out. Bless up.